Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Bridge in PI Browser. PI Browser is an official applicant of the PI network that allows users to access PI based apps, apps, manage their PI wallet and interact with the PI ecosystem securely. And one of the useful tools inside the PI Browser is the PI Bridge, which helps connect PI assets with other blockchain network when supported. Adding or accessing the Bridge in PI Browser is simple once you know where to look. So first you need to open to your PI Browser app on your phone. If you do not have a PI Browser yet, you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it from there as well. And once you open to this PI Browser, here this is your dashboard. Over here you'll see this PI icon, Explore icon and a lot of icon. Here what you can do is scroll a bit down and select on the bottom right services. Over here you can find all of the Explore services, exchanges. What you can do is scroll a bit down under the Explore services, and here you find the Add Your Bridges on the bottom. Simply tap on the plus icon here, and that is that. And the bridge page will open inside the PI Browser, showing information about your supported network, wallet connection option, transfer the bridging feature, and if available to you. And your PI Bridge will ask you to connect to your PI wallet. You can tap the connect wallet and approve the request, and after connecting to your wallet, PI Bridge will load your account details. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.